Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is October the 1st, 2021. We are going to give all a important price prediction update in the market for Virgin Galactic. You guys can see we already have a price prediction on our chart. We're already expecting the market in space to go up. Now, recently, they have just received flight approval in regards to the space flight that they have concluded recently, right? It got the approval. It got the nod, it got the go ahead, and the market on yesterday, you guys can see in Virgin Galactic, closed up 12.15%, right? The volume came through, the market was excited, the market was happy, but we really need to see, is the market truly going to follow through with that information? And are we actually going to see the price go up? So guess what? You're at a great spot, great location, because we're here to make sure that we are in position to win and dominate in the stock market. So tap in with me, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. One thing I will not do, I will not come in and confuse the mess out of you, right? There's so many other people out there that tells you that every freaking market is a buy, and that couldn't be further from the truth. Every market is not a buy. You do not buy every dip. That's ridiculous. We need to make sure that we pay attention to the information that is on the price chart to see where the market is really trying to go. And you can do all of that with no technical indicators, without looking at EBITDA, earnings per share, none of that fundamental analysis garbage. You don't need that to understand where market is going to go. You don't. So check this out. Let me break down the recent price action for space against our last price prediction. And if we see any weakness, then we'll go ahead and cut this prediction that we got on our chart and take the opposite prediction. We'll expect the market to go down. But so far, you guys can literally tell that space is still holding support. Boom, that's it. That's one of the main things we needed to talk about on this particular chart, is that since our last price prediction on September the 17th, September the 18th, the market has still maintained support, which is right here, around $23.65, $24, give or take. But the support area is still being maintained in space. So what does it mean? It means that the price still has the capabilities to go up. It's just that easy, just that simple. While the market was trending lower from the outset of us doing our price prediction on September 18th, the market just in one day came right back up above that $23.63 price, which is being seen as support. Boom. Now, again, it doesn't mean that space is going to shoot back up there towards $56. No, it doesn't mean that. You guys can already see from our prediction that we're only looking for the price maybe to come to 30, right? We got this restriction area right there around $28.50. So again, even though we're still seeing the ability of space to go up, just relax. This is not one of those moonshots. This is not one of those blast off rallies, all-time highs type plays. No, it's not. It is just one that we could come in and nibble off of, right? To see the price come to $28.60 or ultimately 30. That is where we're looking for the market to ultimately go, is 30. I don't want you all to think that we're about to start some massive bull trend, because it's not. That's not what we're seeing. Not on the price chart, not yet. Because check this out. I'm going to show you something on the 3 months time frame that kind of tells us that, yeah, you might be expecting the market to go up on a shorter time span, i.e. daily, weekly time frame. But when you see this on the 3 months, I want you all to see something, okay? Because over the last 3 months, this is what the market price in space looks like, right? So from July all the way to the ending of September, the market in space is down 45%, right? It's down 45% in 3 months. And this is all our weakness right here. For us to have the last 3 months, which started in April and ended in July, or ended in June, we saw the market up 50%. But in the next 3 months, we lost 45%. That tells you that the market is not extremely bullish in space right now. It's not. And then take a look at this. You see that? Then the market price in space over the last 3 months closed below the overall trend, right? It broke the overall ascending line in space. Now, what we need to see in the next 3 months is for this price to come back up above that ascending line, because if so, guess what? We're still in an upward trend. And this is the prime opportunity now to come in and buy space. Right now, right where we at, right? To hold this particular stock for the long term. Now, that's 3 months worth of trading. But seeing the market on the 3 months time frame, yeah, the market is still weak from this perspective. The chart is not lying to us. There's weakness here on the 3 months time frame. So I just want to prep your mind into thinking that even though from a daily time frame, weekly time frame, we're playing a strength, but looking at this from a 3 months basis, there's weakness here. So let's not try to be fooled or tricked into thinking that the market in space is a massive buy opportunity yet, because there's still some weakness that the market has to clean out. All right. So let me take this off. I just wanted to show you all a 3 months perspective to show you all what the price has done over the last couple of 3 months. And this is weakness right there. All right. So let me take this over to the 3-day time frame. You guys can literally tell that as long as the market keeps itself above $23.65, I'm going to continue to ride on with the expectation that the price is going to go up. Okay. So what I'm going to do, let me extend out the prediction, because it looks like the market in space is taking a while. Okay. And I want you all to understand that I'm not massively bullish in this play. I'm not. You may be, but currently we need to see this market overcome literally $27.45. That's the first area. Second area is at $28.70, and then third is 30. So those are the 3 areas that we need to be keen on and watching the market price to see if we're able to break it to the upside. So that means that literally we need to TP out the market at those 3 spots. First, again, $27.50. Second, $28.70, and third, $30, right? Now, if we're able to see this price break all of those restriction areas that I've just mentioned, then yeah, be prepared for this price to come all the way up to around $32.50, maybe even $35. $35, right? But so far, let's not get too antsy. Let's not get too happy. Let's not get too jittery and think that the market is an all-out buy right now. But yeah, I'm still looking for the market to go up though. Okay. So now let me bring this over. And this is the current play. We haven't changed anything, right? The market literally is confirming that right now we did achieve one thing, and that is we were maintaining support. Now, if we were to broke support and the market never came back up and traded above $23.65, then I would have came through and say, yeah, the price prediction that we did on September the 18th, September the 17th didn't work out right. And I'll be playing the downside right now. But seeing how the market traded yesterday on high volume lets me know that the market at best still has some business to do in between $23.65 to $28.75. It still has business to do. So we're going to kick back, let the market continue to work. We still look for the market price in space to go up, and that's it. Now, your turn. Call the markets right alongside with me. Tell me, where do you all think the price in space is going to go? Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability, and I'll give you all your time back. Thank you all for watching. I'm out.